What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Look What I Made TV. Today I'm going to be jumping into Fusion 360, keeping it simple, just making a simple bracket, just a bracket you can use. I'm going to be using this on my truck just to hold the light. So I'm going to jump right into Fusion 360, and here we go. So first, what I like to do is I like to start with making construction lines. So I'm going to start with a sketch, and you click right here, you're going to get construction lines. So we're going to be using the rectangle. So the quick key for that is R. My first box, I like to start from my center point. So I do just click right over here at center. Open up my box. My dimensions are about 150 millimeters by 150 millimeters. And if you notice, if you hit tab, you'll be able to actually type the exact size in. So you'll see right here, 150 millimeters. Right there, I typed in 150. And if you just hit tab on the Mac, you will see it toggle through. You hit enter, and there's your box. This is pretty much the one construction box that I make just to keep everything tight. Now that we have our sketch, the next thing I like to do is pretty much start a next sketch. Select your plane, and now we can start the L bracket. So I'm going to start with the rectangle tool again. And the measurements here is going to be 150 by 50. Then you hit enter. All right, so now we got the part sketched out. What we're going to do now is remove that construction lines. We don't need that anymore. Then this tool right here is the extrude tool. We select all the parts you want to extrude. And when it comes to plasma cutting, the size doesn't really matter. So I just usually put it at 5 millimeters. Hit OK. And there's your L shape. All right. Now we're going to have to put a hole in this piece right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the hole tool. We're going to move this around by just clicking the center. But how we're going to get this to where we want it is basically click this reference point right here. We're going to put that at about 25 millimeters. And then we're going to select this reference point. We're going to put that at 25 millimeters. And if you just want to toggle through that, you just hit tab it. Now for the hole we're cutting, we just pretty much want a straight hole. Our part's 5 millimeters, so that's good. That's how deep it's going to cut. If you wanted to go longer, you can do something like that. There you see the cut extrudes out. But in our case, we can just do 5 millimeters and we're fine. The width of it is going to be 20 millimeters, which that works for me. Hit OK, and there's our hole. Now we're going to make some even holes right along the side. What I'm going to hit is this rectangular pattern. You're going to have to switch this to features. The feature we're going to click is this hole feature right here. So just get it highlighted, click that. We're going to need it to go to what axis. So you click axis, click the line, and then it's going to prompt you with these arrows right here. You can pull these arrows out to exactly where you want them. I actually need mine at 100 millimeters spacing, so that's perfect. The other number here is if you wanted, for example, 4 in a row or 5 in a row. But we're just going to be working with 3. You can also change that here. So once you're done, you just hit OK. And there's your perfect holes right there. Now this part looks a little square and I want to clean it up. So what I like to do is hit this fillet tool right here. And then, whoop, sorry. If you select the wrong edge, just click it again and it will deselect. So you hit all these edges right here. And then my number I like to use is 15 millimeters. So you type that in, hit OK. There's your part. All right, so this part's ready to go. In the next video, I'm basically going to show you how to manufacture it. So how to set it up and put it onto a plasma cutter, or if you were to cut this out on a CNC laser, acrylic, wood, anything like that. Just want to thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys soon.